I'm Kate DeMag, and I am a ninth grader at Golick High School. Today I'll be showing you some of my work I did and my Python programming work. First of all, I'll be showing you my beta test dev branch, which is all my code I made combined. And this is my welcome branch, as you can see from the labels. This makes it more colorful. It will print welcome branch, and it will make it time. It would make more time for the dots to load, so it actually looks like it's loading. And we should now we're gonna wait for this to load. While it's loading, I'll show you some of my other work. This is the weather, which is shows you if it needs to be more alarm, if you need your alarm to wake you up earlier. And I have my gasoline branch, which shows you the how far gas stations are, the prices, and the cheapest and closest, and if you can make them on your current level of gas. As you can see, it finally loaded. It says operating system booted up, retina scanned, access granted. Smart alarm system, the weather is a thunderstorm, and the alarm has been set 25 minutes earlier. New alarm is 6 minutes and 35 minutes. 6 o'clock and 6 p.m. and 35. The car is online. It's telling you the weather again. It's telling you that it's unstraight safe and the weather is conflicted. The speed limit is 40 miles per hour, and it's telling you that you can only go 40 miles per hour since it's unsafe to drive. Now I'll be showing you the gasoline branch, which is my favorite. It's telling you the distances to gas stations. It's telling you the nearest one is the Marathon, and the cheapest one is the Meyer Express. It gives you an AI suggestion. Fuel level is healthy, so you can wait. No alarm needed. Fuel level is okay. My favorite feature of this one is if you want a Coke slushy, you can type in yes, and it will tell you which ones have it and which ones don't, which is really useful in my personal opinion. Okay, now I'll be showing you my GitHub desktop, which is where I use to push my code to the cloud and transfer it from my virtual machine to my my real computer. And now I'll show you what it can do, whether it changes my code from my beta test dev to my weather branch. Now I can change it to my gasoline or my welcome branch or my main. Just wherever I click it will update it. Now I'll show you my virtual machine. This is my GitHub, which is a lot like this is my Git cracking, which is a lot like GitHub desktop. Pretty much just the same thing. It pushes up data to the cloud, so I can use my GitHub on my computer. This is my virtual machine. I can rotate which ones I want. So beta test, I can go there. It will show me what I have done, the little lines. Then I can go to beta test. All my code's there, even though I'm not on my, even though I'm not on it. I can still push it up to the cloud, and so my data is saved. So if it gets deleted, and I can transfer it from one thing to another. Now I'll show you my GitHub, which I use to track some of my stuff. This is the times I've been on, and I'll take you to Infotech. Infotech is with my name without or with Marinero. This is my code. See it transferred all the way over here. I can't use it or edit it since it doesn't know how to run the code, and it's pretty much just a copy so I can see it, but still very useful. Now I will be showing you my Trello, which I use to monitor and keep up with my work I need to complete, like the gasoline branch or the weather branch. Now I'll show you my Wix account. My Wix account is where it's my e-portfolio, Python programming, has a bit of, it's a paragraph explaining what I've done. This is some of my code I took snapshots of to show the people who look at it what I've done. Each of these can take you to a different website that I have used, like this one, and this one. All you can use by, I'll give you the links. I am now going to show you the final thing, which is my file management, which is CSS, and my virtual, which is these, which I use to monitor. I use them as much as I did in previous projects, but still useful. Definitely make sure you label those so you can use them. Some of the problems I ran into were merging it. I had to fix the merge conflicts, which were easy enough. It tells you what you have to do. But it was still a problem and I had to fix it. I had to merge all my stuff into the beta test dev, that into my main branch, which was a lot of conflicts, but I figured it out and I made it better because of it. Uh, Thank you for watching. Signing off, K to Mag.